Why do some people grow and some people just kind of seem like they stay the same? I think about this a lot because I've always been in a growth mindset that's kind of like, and sometimes it gets crazy. Sometimes it's overwhelming because I always want to grow. I always want to kind of grow and get better and try something new. And my dad told me years ago that there's just like every couple years I reinvent myself, and I thought that was kind of a great compliment because I'm always trying to do something new, whether it's opening a new business or growing my business or increasing my leadership. Because I'm always learning something too. I'm either listening to books or reading the books or listening to podcasts and sermons, something to help me grow. And so one of the things I've noticed for those that grow and those that die, or those that don't, is those people that grow, they take every bit of new knowledge and information that is good and is worthy. When they learn it, immediately it becomes part of their life. And immediately. And I think that's an important concept to think about, is if you learn something that's new and you learn something that's good, then why wouldn't you use that for your advantage? Why would you continue to go back to the old ways when you've got the new way that's good and positive and will help you kind of get to that next level? And I wrote a little rhyme about it because I like to write little rhymes. When you learn something new, that's the new way you should do. Going back to the old is worthy of a good scold. Going back is for the fool. You should not be mad when you get schooled. Others should pass you by because they learned the why and were not shy to put this new knowledge into their hearts and minds, seeing its useful purpose each and every time. Anyways, that's just a thought for today. When you learn something new, force it into your life so that you grow and you get the benefit of the good stuff. And if you're not willing to do that, then you're not willing to grow. And when you look back a year from now, 5 years, or go look back at your life already, if you're not willing to take the new knowledge and put it into your life until it becomes a part of you, then your growth is really on your shoulders, whether you grow or not. You're responsible.